After completing a data collection, we next want to run a quality check on the dataset. To do this, insert the SD card into your computer and open SlantView 3. If this is your first time running a quality check, we want to create a data directory for your SD card. Click Manage Data Directories, and click Select Folder. Once added, each time you insert your SD card into your computer and open SlantView 3, your datasets will automatically appear in the right-hand side Data Management panel. To run a quality check, click here for each relevant dataset. The dataset name is a UTC timestamp of the date that the data was collected. Once complete, you will see an overview of all images collected during flight. Verify that images cover all relevant information and that the majority of images do not have yellow or red wireframes. If either case occurs, please recollect the dataset and notify your SlantRange contact for troubleshooting.